My name is Vincent Mifsud. I'm currently consulting in strategy and engineering capabilities for a number of companies, but most of my career has been in large companies such as Cobham, Vickers, in engineering roles, starting on the shop floor, working my way up to be CTO or Vice President of Engineering within those organisations. I've also had a secondary career in the Territorial Army, again in engineering, in Royal Electrical and Mechanical Engineers. I did a thick sandwich course. So I did a year before going to university with Marconi radar systems in Great Baddow in Essex, which was fascinating. There was me knowing absolutely nothing, being thrown into labs and being told to get circuits working. Yes. So that was, again, thrown into the deep end. Great fun. The team there were very helpful, and I have to say that's something I learned from. I'm now consulting for the Aerospace Growth Partnership within the Aerospace Technology Institute in Cranfield and preparing the UK strategy for commercial aerospace, which is due to be published later this year. I'm also working with a number of small companies, helping them understand and adapt their technologies for aerospace and defence. I think I'm motivated by a desire to make a difference, and that's why I did engineering. Curiosity, the ability to learn, the ability to face new challenges, perhaps even to test yourself against a new challenge, is what's great fun about engineering. I think those things drive me on. Achievement of long-term success, I think, really depends on your being interested and passionate about what you do. If you have that interest and passion, then everything else follows. You will make the contacts, you will put the hours in, you will learn, you will look around the subject. So it's got to be an area of interest to you that makes it happen. I really don't think you should be driven through hopes of huge financial success. That's not the point. It's got to be interest. You know, the problem has to be fascinating. The opportunity has to be there. You've got to believe you can succeed. You have to have confidence in yourself and then go and do it. As a mentor, I can offer help in a number of areas. Primarily, it's important to understand my background. I have worked in the medical field, in aerospace, in defence, in security, and I have a broad range of contacts within those markets and a broad understanding of what is required for success in those markets. I am not a deep financial guru, so I'm not the person to come to if you're looking for funding or looking for ways of funding a startup. There are other mentors who can advise you far better than I can. But if you want to test your ideas against the market, if you want to test the underpinning technology, then I have a breadth of background that may well be of some use. As a mentor, I'd like to provide all the support I can to students coming through the university who wish to explore options for their future, because the world is in their hands.